Hello, Avish Pius here, professional data scientist with my submission for the Google Cloud Run Hackathon in the GPU use category, Dr. Cloud. Early on, I had a hard time figuring out what to make for this one, so much so that I got sick with the flu and found myself scrolling WebMD for remedies. And then it struck me that there must be millions of people in a similar boat that use this service, so why not build an AI assistant that fills a similar role? So here we have Dr. Cloud, which is an ADK-powered agentic chatbot backend with 6 sub-agents and the root agent powered by Medgemma. The front end is a simple Streamlit UI deployed on a separate Cloud Run service. So let's see it in action under the chat here. I'm going to ask it that I have a headache and fever. What should I do? And I'll give it a moment to respond. If you're using this for the first time, there is a little bit of a delay for the warm start of the backend server on Cloud Run to kick off. And here it prints out its response, and it says I might have a viral infection. In fact, I had the flu here. So I can ask it follow-up questions, and it keeps everything in context. So I can ask, can you tell me more about my fever symptoms? And it'll give me an answer there. And then there are also guardrails built in, so it won't tell me anything if I ask it about medications. Perfect. And lastly, using the ADK agent callbacks, it also generates a SOAP report that physicians might find handy and stores it in Firestore. So you can see it here, storing that through the document agent as a nice SOAP report as a Firestore doc. And finally, to make things even easier, I have also exposed the agents under the A2A protocol with their own agent card, so others can take advantage of them easily as well. I've also published a publicly accessible blog post walking through how I was able to deploy a Medgemma model on Cloud Run. Believe it or not, there is not a container registry image for it. And I also have a publicly shared Colab notebook to see a fully offline local running version of the ADK. Thanks for reviewing my submission.